Hello there and welcome to Crypto Trade Pro, where crypto trading has been fully simplified for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the results from the trading bot I activated 1 hour ago, and trust me, the performance has been incredible. I've been receiving continuous notifications, and the results will definitely put a smile on your face. As you can see, my current real balance is $399, which is the amount available for manual trading. This is because I allocated $2,500 to the bot. When the bot is active, that amount is reserved and used for automated trading. Once I stop the bot, the funds are released back into my available balance. Right now, the bot is actively trading. I'm considering stopping it so I can show you the performance while recording this video. And yes, even now I'm still receiving new alerts from the bot. Before checking Telegram, let's take a look at the trading history the bot has recorded. Look at this, guys. This is unbelievable. The profits are impressive, and the losses are extremely minimal. Overall, the bot is highly accurate. I would confidently say it has a 95% accuracy rate based on these results. Now let's check the Telegram notifications to see what the bot is saying. This is amazing, right? You can clearly see the trade start and trade complete notifications. It even shows the specific market and the performance of each trade. This is extremely impressive and very exciting to share with you. If I have already made over $5,000 in this session, that's incredibly good. I will wait for another session to start a new bot, but I'm thinking of running 3 bots next time for even more combined results. At this point, you can choose to stop the bot and secure your profit. Let me do that so you can see how it works. Click Stop Bot. Confirm. And done. Now give it about 5 seconds for the balance to update. What? $11,000. This is amazing, guys. Are you interested in joining Crypto Trade Pro? Comment below and I will send you the link. Make sure to follow us for more updates and results.